experiencing crashes when starting Word, Excel, or PowerPoint in Microsoft Office. This frustrating issue can halt your productivity and waste valuable time. Crashing issues in Microsoft Office applications can be caused by various factors, including corrupted files, conflicting add-ins, or outdated software. Identifying the root cause manually can be challenging and time-consuming, but there's a quicker way to resolve this problem. Our software can automatically detect and fix issues causing Microsoft Office applications to crash. Download our tool from the link in the description, run a scan, and let it do the rest. If the software can't fix the problem automatically, it will guide you through the steps to resolve it.